friends, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been MIA for this last 3 months because as you guys know my house was getting renovated and I wasn't feeling very good about making videos. So here I am with a haul video. So I'll give you an overview of the stuff I have bought. So let's see. So this is the first product. This is a brush set. This is how it opens. It has 5 brushes and it is a case plus stand, so you can fold it and keep it like this and use it. And price I'll mention it below because I have thrown the box, so I don't have it right now. So yeah, this is one brush set. This is second. I got it from Flipkart as well. So it's written $9.99. I got it for much cheaper rate. So same. This includes everything like eye, blush, foundation. Same thing. You have a case for this as well, like this. So this is the second one. This is a third brush set. You can see it is from Real Technique, it says, but yeah, I know it's a dupe of Real Technique. So yeah, these are 3 sets. If you want a detailed video about this, I'll make one. So yeah, the brush goes. So the next comes the lip balm. I love lip balms, so I keep on buying lip balms. So yeah, this is one from Maybelline Baby Lips. So I got it for, I'll tell you, I got it for 152. Yes, 152. So I haven't used it before, so I thought I might use it and see how it feels. This is the second one, same from Flipkart as well. So I got this 2 lip balms, buy one get one, I guess. So yeah, same 184. I got it for 184. 2 lip balms, worth the deal. So I bought it. So now I got some skincare from Myntra, as Myntra was giving very good offers on everything. So I got this sheet mask. I'm a sucker for sheet mask. So I got this the offer was buy 5 get 5 free. So I got this 10 sheet mask, you can see. So I got pearl, bamboo, lotus, a lemon, then some moonbeam, then this one, it's ginseng, red ginseng, potato, cucumber. So yeah, these are the 10 sheet mask I got from Myntra. So next up is also the skincare. I got from this Instagram brand, I guess it's Puja Box. So I got this jade roller, much high product, very good. I think for the skincare, for lifting and all. So I thought I might get one. So this is how it looks. Yeah, so I got it for some 1700, I guess. Same as the face ritual one. Then I got this 2 sage, I think some sage burning stuff you use for relaxing and things. So I thought I'll try this. And they also gave one gift. It's kind of fridge magnet, Ganpati. So yeah, this is with the skincare. So this is all for the skincare. So let's move to makeup now. So next up is Sugar. I got 2 boxes from Sugar. This cosmetics I got from Sugar, as Sugar was giving unbelievable offers which you cannot help, like you have to buy something. So yeah, this is the first thing I got from Sugar. This is their liner, Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner. This is a pencil liner. And second is a very hype product of Sugar. This is the contouring stick. Shade is CO1. CO1. So yeah, this is one. Then I got this I Warned You So double matte liner. in the shade Coffee Shop. So yeah, this is one. And the offer was, if you buy product worth, I forgot the worth, something 1200, then you get a free gift of 799 worth of free gift. So look what I got. I got this primer, the most eligible blur smoothing primer. So this was a free product I received from Sugar. Yeah. So let's move on to the second box from Sugar as well. So I got this bag for free. Let's see what's inside. So I got this foundation from Sugar. It is Ace of Face foundation stick. Shade is 07 Vanilla Latte. So I'll make a first impression video. And this is the lipstick I got. Matte as Hell Crayon in the shade Emma Woodhouse. And if you buy this lipstick, you get a sharpener for free. So this is the product I bought and the free gift which I got. Is this Sugar Minis. So you get this 4 liquid matte as hell lipstick. I got this 4 lipstick for free. Like, I couldn't believe when the offer was there, so couldn't help buying. So yeah, shades and all, I'll make a different video on that, so you have to wait for that. And it comes with a lookbook, so they have different looks for this and which lipstick shade they have used and all. You get one with this too. So let's move on to the next box. So I got these 2 boxes from Nykaa. So I got this. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama White Luster. The shade is White Luster. This is a white kajal. So yeah, this is one. Then I got Nykaa lashes. So this is OTT Drama. The price is $199. So yeah, you get a free glue with this as well. Now I got this 4 lipsticks from Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink. So I've used this lipstick before, but the shade was different. I used their Lover, I think. Yes, I used the shade Lover. I loved it. Very nice lipstick. Feels very soft, doesn't dry your lips much. So yeah, this is in the shade 65 Seductress. I think camera is not focusing. Yes, this is one. Then I got Delicate 225. Then I got 70, shade number 70, Amazonia. Yes, Amazonian. Then I got 130 Self Starter. So these are all nudes, different kinds of nudes, as I love nude lipsticks. So yeah, this is the 4 lipsticks I got. And Nykaa was also giving offers. This retails for $650. I got for $488 each, I guess. So yeah, good offer, so bought it. So this is the second box. I got one more lash from Nykaa. This is their Up the Drama and it retails for $199. So yeah, I got these 2 lashes. Almost similar, but yeah, this length, volume and intense lashes. And this is ample volume and intense lashes. So yeah, these 2 lashes I got. Last up is one concealer I got from Flipkart. This is Wet n Wild concealer. Much of an eyeshadow base I will use. I bought it for using as eyeshadow base. So yeah, this is one. Price, I don't know, I'm sorry, it's not written here. So yeah, this is one. And the last product is, I got one perfume. So this is not from any website and all, this is from Oriflame. And I am a sucker for perfume as well. I love perfumes. So I got this perfume. It is their Oriflame Possess, and it smells very good. I have been eyeing this perfume for a very long time. Finally got it, and it smells very good. So yeah, this is the end of the haul. So thank you for keeping up with me, because I know it's a very long video, and I will make the makeup I got. I will make a different video for all this. I think I'll make one first impression for sugar, because I haven't used sugar products before. Then I'll use this Makeup Revolution products. All first impression I'll make. So please stay tuned to my channel. I'll make more videos for you, and I promise I won't be MIA from now. Thank you. Bye.